It's no surprise that charging your vehicle at home is a lot more affordable than filling up your vehicle with gas, especially with the way gas prices are going nowadays. But what if I told you that you can save yourself with your charging even more by scheduling during off-peak hours, but you can still have a nice and cozy, comfortable cabin temperature? Let me show you how in your Kia and Hyundai EV with your electric vehicle charge management screen. Let's take a look. All right, so first things first, you're going to turn your vehicle on. We're going to go to our EV homepage, and we're going to look for this icon here, which is our charge management button. Now, depending on the type of software that you have, it may look a little bit different, but you're going to follow the same process. And once you do that, you're going to see we have a host of different menu options. So let me walk you through them. First things first, we have next departure time. Now what this is going to do is actually has to do with your cabin temperature. So what you can do is you can simply press on one of these and it's going to give you the option to choose your scheduled departure time. So what time are you getting into your car and leaving for work in the morning? So set the time, set the days of the week you want it to apply to, set the cabin temperature, and then also you can choose if you want to use your front or your front defrost as well. Once that's set, you'll hit OK. Mine's pretty much ready to go, so I'm going to hit OK, and you'll notice that it's turned on. Now, keep in mind, this is only going to come into effect and the vehicle is only going to go to this temperature if it is plugged into your charger at this scheduled time, so in this case at 8 a.m. However, if you ever do want to override any of this, it's super easy to turn on and off, and I love that I can have two separate schedules. One for the week, one for the weekend if I want. All right, so the next thing that we're going to go to is going to be our AC charging settings, and this is one I'm really excited about. So from here, you can see scheduled charging. So I'm going to turn that on, and now I'm going to go in and adjust it. So from here, I can go and set my off-peak hours that I want the vehicle to charge during, and I can do it if I want to prioritize off-peak charging. So if I still want it to charge even though it's not an off-peak hour, or only during off-peak hours. Now keep in mind, if you are pressing this one, you may not get the full charge that you're looking for. Say if you only want to charge to 80%, depending on the hours, it may only get you, say, 60%, just based off of the time that you set it for. So from here, you can go and adjust by just simply moving these around, and then I'm going to put it to prioritizing off-peak charging. The nice thing is because the vehicle can be plugged in, it can be charging during those hours, but still be plugged in and ready to work with that next departure time. That's all for today's video, so thank you guys so much for joining me, and hopefully you learned something about ways that you can save when you're charging your vehicle, but also not sacrifice anything in terms of comfort with the cabin, plus a few extra little bonus tips there and there. If you guys want to learn any more about any of the vehicles that we have here in the Kia and Hyundai lineup or the EVs, make sure you subscribe to this channel to keep in the know, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down as a comment down below, and if there's any other videos that you want to see, make sure to leave them down below, that way we can film them for you. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!